Yo, what is going on, guys? So this video today is going to be showing you how to get the 2026 season pack in F1 25 for free. So you can get the brand new 2026 DLC that includes stuff like the brand new teams such as Audi. You can get the new racing drivers as well, and tons of other things like the new overtake mode. And guys, this is super easy. This actually uses a digital game code that you can redeem in whatever platform you play on: PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Steam. You can get the 2026 season DLC pack for free. So you need to use your mobile phone just to obtain your digital game code. So open up your internet browser and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. Now this entire process of getting this F1 25 2026 pack is super easy. You just got to search for F1 25 in the search bar. As you can see, you can get a free copy of the game, but if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you already have the game. But this is the F1 25 2026 season pack. So click on that, and this is going to get you a digital game code. Like I said, this is going to work on all platforms. You just redeem it in your platform store, and it is going to give you the brand new 2026 season DLC. So click on show full code. Now this only takes a few minutes, and it is going to save you a bunch of money, so it is well worth it, guys. I've already done it, so I'm not sure I'll be able to run through the full process, but I can still talk you through the steps you need to take. So as you can see, these are limited codes. So once you reach this page, your code is going to be hidden, and you need to unlock your code, guys. This basically prevents people stealing all of the limited codes from Crash Coupons. So click on Get Full Code, and it's going to bring you to this page here, guys. Now, don't panic. This is really easy. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete 2 of the free offers on this page. These basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can supply these awesome game codes to us. Now you need to complete 2 of the tasks. They're all completely free. They're really easy things like mobile application installs and stuff. Just make sure you do follow the instructions below each app, because that text tells you what to do. Once you complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your F1 25 2026 season pack digital game code will be revealed, and you can redeem it, guys, in whatever platform you play on, and that is going to get you the F1 25 26 season pack. And it's pretty expensive if you was to purchase it. It costs around 25 to 30 US dollars. So all you need to do, guys, is use your mobile, go to Crash Coupons, and navigate your way using the search bar to the corresponding F1 25 2026 season pack. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.